So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to enter a referral code here on the MetaMask application. So once you guys open up MetaMask, go to the bottom right and press on rewards. Now once you're on the rewards page right here, go to the top right and press on the gear icon. Then where it says referral code at the bottom, if you were to go ahead and enter a referral code, so let's just say the code is 12345, you can go ahead and press that. And once that is good, you can go ahead and press on enter right there. And then you can go ahead and enter someone's referral code where then they can earn bonuses. Now, if you're not too sure where your referral code is, if you go back here beside the gear, there's the human icon, press on that. There's a referral code right here. So if I were to go ahead and copy this, for example, and then paste it, I don't know, into there, you can go ahead and type in the referral code that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to enter a referral code on the MetaMask application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.